everybody, Big D and Liam here. Welcome back to another episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. This is our Monday episode, and today we're not working on the 350. We are working on Project Void. All the cooling system stuff that we had showed you guys in previous videos, we are finally going to start on today. So, we've got our radiator to change, we got our cooling line rerouting kit to install, and we've got our transmission cooler to install. So, we are going to be full of some work to do today. So, with that being said, talking's ending. Let's get to work.
Okay, everybody. We're going to start getting disassembly done. But before that, I'm going to explain a few things. This is the radiator hose that we're going to install. It replaces the stock radiator hose up here that connects to the front of the engine. We're moving that to the back, where this goes to reroute water to the front. Now, the reason for this is because originally this engine was in a side-sitting front-wheel drive car. Now it's, I think, originally the Mazda 3, the original Mazda 3. Came out around the same time. Anyway.
Yeah, I think so too. Correct us if we're wrong, if you guys want to look that up on the internet, but I'm pretty sure it's out of the Mazda 3.
Yeah. So, when they did that, when they did that, the engine was side-sitting, and this was originally at that side of the engine because it was side-sitting, and the coolant was coming out this side, going to the radiator. Mm-hmm. Now, since it's in a inline position in a rear-wheel drive car, they put the water neck at the front and the thermostat at the front for just plain easy access. Mm-hmm. The problem is that allows the force cylinder in the back to heat up a little more than any other part of the engine, and that can cause, detonation problems and stuff like that.
Spark problems, yeah.
Exactly. So that's the main reason for this kit, and it's what we're going to focus on today and try to get that, at least most of it in position. Maybe not hooked up to the radiator because we're going to take the radiator out, put in the new radiator, new 2-core racing radiator.
That is all aluminum.
Very
nice.
But it's also a automatic transmission elimination, cooler elimination. So we got an extra transmission cooler that we're going to install to replace that portion of the radiator.
And actually, in all reality, that trans cooler has a larger cooling surface than it would have in the factory radiator.
Exactly.
So the transmission should actually run even cooler with the external cooler.
Everything should run cooler.
Yes. Which is a win-win all across the board.
Yeah, win-win-win.
Yes.
3 wins.
Yes.
Because three videos that we're going to be shooting on this.
Yes.
So we're going to speed things up here, start this assembly, and we'll come back when we get to the next part and talk more about that. Hey, Liam here. We have gotten to the point where we're starting to put things back together. Big D is starting to put together the assembly that goes on the back. He has the thermostat,
This is thermostat housing.
the sensor, and the heater hose adapter
And
on
now I'm getting ready to put on.
the water neck.
Yep. We're piecing it together to let it tack up before we actually drop it onto.
Oh, well, he says drop it, but
Well-
it's really, I'll show you.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to fit it back there. As you saw, maybe in the high speed, hyperlapse, whatever you want to call it, we were taking things off. We took this off the back of the block,
Yes.
and this was the old water neck that you saw in the front. And to replace that, we already put the block off plate on because it was just so easy.
Yeah.
It was right there. It was like, hey, let's just put it on. We'll show everybody once it's on afterwards. So yeah,
So that's where the factory original water neck was,
just hose as you saw earlier,
and now
Just put it
it's
right here.
going on the back.
and now we're snaking it up all the way up to here. So, all right, that's pretty much the update. We're gonna get back to assembly now of the Coolant Reroute system. we are pretty much finished with the Coolant Reroute kit.
Yeah.
Battle scars galore. I don't know if you can see all this.
Yeah, we are tore up.
Yeah, I got bruises from, yeah, you guys see we changed shirt. We multiple days working on this.
Yes, this is we are now deep into Saturday. We've been working on this since yesterday morning at 8 o'clock.
We had some difficulties.
Yes. You guys know how cars work.
Anyway, here's the coolant pipe. We don't have the clamps back on right now. And some of these because we have to adjust some things. But everything's pretty much in place. Let me
get the drop light so we can get a...
yeah, as you can see, we got the new pipe
Can they see it
in.
without the drop light?
Yeah, they can see okay. And that's the water neck right there,
Yeah.
right beneath that pipe. And
So
it's
you
all,
can get a better view from the other side.
yeah, we'll see it on the
without
other
all the
side.
pipe.
Yeah, there's this little guy down there. He was a bugger. There, because
Yeah.
that pipe's new, and the water neck's under that, and you can
Yeah.
see the new bolt right there. Yeah,
Yeah, that heater reroute pipe that he said was a bugger literally took us a day and a half.
yeah, it had some issues. Let's say the least.
And here's the block off plate from the front of the motor where the original thermostat was.
And water neck that went
Yeah.
over here to this over here.
Yep.
So there it is, pretty much installed. We still have to install the radiator and the oil cooler for the transmission, but that's another day. So,
So yeah, with that, you guys are now seeing we got the reroute kit done. We're glad that we planned ahead for it to be several days because boy was it. I'm probably dirty as hell, sweaty as hell. I've got my own battle scars. It's been a rough 2 days.
but we got it
the
done.
Yeah, the hard part's done. Changing the radiator and stuff should be fairly simple.
I'm sure we'll run into hiccups here and there, but
Yeah,
as you do.
That's going to do it for today. Thanks for stopping by, checking us out. Please like the videos. Share our videos with your friends. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And hit that bell over in the corner so you get first alerts anytime we post something new. And do not forget, guys, Saturday live stream is moving to 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, write that down. No longer 9 a.m. We are now doing 11. Okay, so I'm Big D,
And I'm Liam.
and we're out.